These AI UGC videos are getting millions of views, like this street interview style video, which looks incredibly real.
I'm obsessed. I'm a huge fan of banana. It's a gourmand girlie's kind of dream perfume. Literally smells like a tropical holiday.
And I was shocked that this was made with AI. But most people have no idea how to make them. So I figured out how to make AI UGC videos like this just using Claude and Seedance 2.0. And today I'm going to share it with you, starting with more simple formats to more advanced ones. And the last one is absolutely exploding right now, and nobody's using it for their business. To generate all of these UGC videos, I'm going to be using Seedance 2.0 on Max Fusion. I will leave a link in the description below if you want to follow along. Let me show you how powerful this model is. I found this UGC ad and I'm going to remake it with one simple prompt. Let's log into Max Fusion and click New Project. Select Videos at the top. Down here, select Videos and then select Seedance 2.0 model. Set the format to 9:16 vertical, 15 seconds, and leave the quality at 720p. Let's drop in the reference video that I just showed you. Now, let's say you're selling this beige sweater right here. I'm going to attach the sweater image and the base image of the AI model I want to place in this video. And then I'm gonna type in this prompt. Replace the sweater in video 1 with the beige sweater in image 1. Change the model in the video to look like the person in image 2 and click generate. By the way, I will show you how to create your own AI model like this later in the video. And this is what we get.
If you want to look put together but still be super comfortable, you are going to love this one. This sweater set has the most chic little details here around the collar, the sleeves here at the bottom.
Seedance 2.0 perfectly replaced the model in the video and the sweater as well. Now, this is honestly one of the most powerful UGC formats I've ever seen. It's a very simple concept, but think about how many products you could apply this to. Drinks, supplements, coffee, fashion, phone cases, anything a person can touch, taste, smell, or hold on camera. To remake this format, we're gonna use Claude Cowork to analyze the video and build our structure, and then we'll use flows inside Max Fusion to produce the whole thing. And don't worry, it's a very simple process. First, go to Claude Cowork and install it on your computer. Then I'm going to open it and just drop the street interview video along with this prompt. This gives us a complete blueprint of the original video. It breaks it down by each scene and explains what makes this format work so well. And you can use this strategy to analyze any video. I can see that the original video includes 6 different people. So to create our own version, first we need to create images of our own actors and then animate those images into video. For my video, I'm going to use a chocolate chip protein cookie as my product example. I will ask Claude to write image generation prompts for each of our actors. Here's the full prompt I'm using for that. Now let's go to Max Fusion and open a new project. Open flows here at the top. Select new flow. This feature allows you to build the entire ad on one canvas. So instead of jumping between different tools and tabs, everything is in one place. Click the plus icon and select prompt. Then click plus again and select image generator. Connect the two together. Drop the first actor prompt in here. Select GPT image 2. Set the format to 9:16. Leave quality and medium and hit generate. And if you're not happy with how it came out, just click this button here and get a new generation in minutes. I will repeat this for all 6 prompts. And in under 10 minutes, I have all of my actors ready to go. And I already love how realistic these scenes came out. Now I just need to animate each one of these and turn them into actual videos. For that, I'm gonna need animation prompts, one for each actor. And here's the exact prompt I'm using on Claude Cowork to achieve that. I'm gonna be leaving all of the prompts in the description below. Now let's go back to Max Fusion and animate each actor. Click the plus icon, select prompt, then plus again, and select video generator. Then click the plus icon one more time, select upload media, and upload a reference image of your product for maximum consistency. Connect the prompt node, the generated actor image from the image generator, and the product reference image all into the video generator. Drop the first animation prompt in here. Make sure Seedance 2.0 is selected, set it to 10 seconds, keep the other settings as they are, and hit generate. So here's our first scene.
That's actually really good.
Would you buy it?
Yeah, I'm just gonna save this last little bit.
All right, so the first scene came out very well, and I'm just gonna repeat this for all of the remaining scenes. And since I'm using flows, all I need to do is click this arrow to swap the reference image and drop in the next prompt. You don't need to rebuild the whole setup every time. Once all of the scenes are ready, I save them to my computer, drop them into my editing software, piece them together, and add captions. And here's the final result. Let's watch it.
That's actually really good.
Yeah, I ate the whole thing. Zero regrets.
So
this actually tastes like a real cookie. And you're telling me this has protein in it, bro? Oh.
It actually tastes like a real
Yeah, the
cookie.
skater boy.
Would you buy it?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is actually mad. If you've got a sweet
Wow.
tooth and you actually care about what you eat, this is it.
I'm just gonna save this last little bit.
Damn. Honestly, this came out insane. We took a viral ad and rebuilt it for a completely different product. Now imagine how difficult this would be to make something like this, like traditional way. You would literally have to go and record interviewing people yourself or just hire someone. But now you can construct this whole ad campaign very simply inside the flows feature on Max Fusion. Everything is on one canvas, the actor generation, the animation, the product reference, and so on. And we did it in under 1 hour. Now, character consistency is the biggest bottleneck of AI UGC. So I just created this character and I have put her into 2 different ads. As you can see, she looks exactly the same across both. So here's how you can create your own consistent character and use it across multiple UGC videos. Let's open a new project on Max Fusion, open flows again and hit the plus icon to add a prompt node. Then hit plus again and select image generator. Connect them both and drop in this prompt. You can change things like hair color and length, the eye color, the skin tone, and the outfit. Make sure GPT image 2 is selected as your model. I also select to create in high quality and hit generate. This will generate a hyper-realistic base character profile image that you will use for every scene going forward. So now let's just place her into 3 different environments: bathroom, kitchen, and living room. Add a new prompt and new image generator. Then connect the prompt and the generated base profile image into the new image generator. Drop in each of these environment prompts one by one and make sure GPT image 2 is selected each time. You can change the room setting, clothing, lighting, and mood in each of these prompts. Just make sure you always keep the instruction to maintain the same woman from the reference image. Otherwise, the character will start to drift and lose consistency. And just like that, we have our character in 3 completely different scenes, maintaining consistency in every single one. Now we can turn these into UGC videos with your product. I'm going to animate the bathroom scene and have her talk about the red light face mask. Click the plus icon and select video generator. Add a new prompt node and connect both the prompt node and the reference image into the video generator. Select the scene you want to animate. Make sure Seedance 2.0 is selected as your model and match the settings I'm using here. And here's the full prompt. You can change the setting, clothing, product description, and the spoken lines.
This is my new favorite part of my evening routine, and I am not even joking. 10 minutes, red light on, and I just decompress. My skin feels so different in the morning. Cannot recommend it enough.
Now, as you can see, I did not attach a reference image of the product here. I just described it in the prompt, and the results still came out ultra realistic. You can even see her reflection in the shower glass, holding the phone and filming herself. But if you want the character to showcase your actual product, you can just attach a reference image of your product into the flow. Click the plus icon and select upload medium. Upload a clean image of your product, then connect both the character reference image and the product reference image into the video generator node. I'm going to use this gray hoodie as an example, and this time I will select the living room scene as the character reference image. Here's the prompt I'm using for this one. When you attach a product reference image, make sure to mention in your prompt that the generator should accurately reproduce the product from the reference image. And we have the final results.
Okay, this hoodie has genuinely become my most worn piece. It is so soft, the fit is perfect, and it goes with literally everything. I have been living in it.
I love how it added the wireless microphone, which makes the video feel even more authentic. And as you can see, the character stayed consistent. Now, this format is completely different from everything I have shown you so far, and it's exploding right now. This video alone got 7 million views. This format works for many different niches: fashion, shoes, accessories, watches, and you can definitely get creative and apply it to supplements, beverages, apps, and so on. This is the type of content that can get a lot of shares and reach a lot of new people for your brand. So first things first, we need to create our base character. Open Max Fusion, open a new project, and go to flows. Add a prompt node and an image generator node and connect them together. Drop in this exact prompt. Make sure GPT image 2 is selected. Set the format to 9:16 and select high quality. So we got our base character for every single scene in this video. It came out slightly different comparing to the reference video. That is actually a good thing. You don't want an identical copy because it makes your video feel more unique and original. Now let's turn this into 5 outfit scenes. Click the plus icon, select prompt, then plus again and select image generator. Connect them together and then connect your base character image to the image generator as well. Select GPT image 2, set format to 9:16, set the quality at high. Now drop in the first prompt and hit generate. I'm gonna repeat this with all of the remaining outfits, and here are all of the prompts I'm using for that. And in under 10 minutes, I have all 5 scenes ready to go. Now let's animate every single scene. We're going to use the same animation prompt for every single one of these, which makes this incredibly simple. Click the plus icon in your flow, select prompt, then click plus again and select video generator. Connect the prompt and the generated image you want to animate into your video generator. Drop in this animation prompt, and this exact prompt works for every scene. Select Seedance 2.0, set it to 5 seconds and high quality. Keep other settings as they are and hit generate. I will repeat this for all 5 outfit scenes and the base character scene for the intro. And here are all 6 animated clips ready to go. Now I'll just save them and put it all together into my editing software, starting with my base mannequin walking as the hook, and then I'll just connect the rest of the scenes. Add a text overlay at the top, depending on what type of products you are including in this video. In my case, it is clothing, so I will go with which summer style is yours. Then just simply cut to each outfit scene one by one with a style name as a text overlay. Keep each scene between 2 to 3 seconds with fast cuts. One thing I also do when editing is match the foot movements and sizing across all clips for consistency. It takes just a couple of extra minutes, but makes the whole video flow much better. And here's the final result. Honestly, this took less than an hour to make from start to finish. And this exact format is getting millions of views right now. And again, this could be used for clothing brands, perfume brands, sneaker brands, you name it. It's crazy how AI video is progressing. And tools like Max Fusion with their recent flows feature makes it incredibly simple to generate all of these different UGC video formats. And they recently updated their credit system as well, so now you get significantly more video generations every month for the exact same price. The link for Max Fusion and all of the prompts I use in this video is in the description below. And here's another video where I show you how to create more UGC video ads using Seedance 2.0. You can watch it right here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.